Pick one. Shaggy's pads, Fred's wipes, or Chewy's cloth. What would you pick? Which super cool body butter would you like to try? Which super cool bubblegum sunscreen will you choose for your adventures? Would you rather pick Bo Peep's roller, Forky's stick, or Pikachu's massager? A lightning bolt massager sounds electrifying. Time to decide. Which amazing slime serum will you pick today? A squishy care serum from Baymax? That sounds incredibly comforting. Which candy cane cleanser sounds most refreshing to you? Which cupcake cream sounds like the perfect treat for your skin? Time to decide. Which fun exfoliator will make your skin super smooth? A confetti scrub? That sounds like a party for your face. Which singing scrub brush would you love to use every day? I wonder what a banana song scrub brush sounds like. Pick your mystery for a super fun body wash. Wow! Shaggy's secret bubbly wash turned you into a giant fluffy cloud. Zoinks! Time to decide. Which sparkle toner will make your skin shine? Which mystery sparkle sprinkle body oil would you choose? Whoa! Goofy's sparkling secret turned your skin into a rainbow glitter waterfall. Yuck! Would you pick Elsa's frosty mist, Spider-Man's web fluid, or the Minions' mysterious fiery spritz? Whoa! The Minions' fiery spritz makes your skin super warm and then turns it rainbow-colored. So unexpected! Would you choose Winnie the Pooh's honey cream, Buzz Lightyear's space glitter, or Cinderella's secret magical balm? Whoa! Cinderella's magical balm transforms into tiny sparkling stars when you apply it. So cool! Would you rather use Garfield's Cream, Pink Panthers, or Curious George's? Whoa, a lasagna-scented hand cream. That's definitely unique. Time to decide. Which giant gummy bear mask will you put on for a fun treat? A grumpy-proof gumdrop mask sounds perfect for any bad mood. Which awesome time travel towelettes will you choose? A galactic rewind wipe sounds amazing. Time to decide. Which magical eye gel will make your eyes sparkle? Which galaxy glow mist will make you shine like a star? Which cool applicator would you choose for your potions? A Sheriff Star applicator for skincare? Yee-haw! Pick one. Ariel's Shimmering Serum, Mario's Power Up Glow, or Yoshi's Fruity Boost. What would you pick? Would you rather pick Dory's Wash, Nemo's Cleanser, or Mickey's Magical Foam? Which magical applicator will you choose for your potions? Which amazing cloud mask will you choose for a relaxing treat? Which magical sunscreen will keep you safe from the sun's rays? Would you rather have Rocket's Speedy Cream, Moana's Refreshing Gel, or Olaf's Chili Balm? Which fun primer will get your skin ready for anything? Time to decide! Which fantastic glitter lotion will make you sparkle? Marmalade-scented glitter lotion sounds deliciously different. Pick one. Which marshmallow moisturizer sounds most wonderfully soft? Bounce Balm sounds so bouncy and fun! Pick one. Cinderella's Magic Blush, Ariel's Ocean Sparkle, or Mario's Peachy Glow. Would you rather have Poe's Comfy Balm, Tigress's Strong Balm, or Light Fury's Sparkling one? Which amazing facial steamer would you choose? Fred's rock-powered, Chewy's warming roar, or E.T.'s mysterious glowing vapor? Wow, E.T.'s glowing vapor makes your face float for a moment and then you feel super refreshed. Phone home! Which brightening oil sounds like the best choice for your aura? A truth-telling radiance oil? Wow, that's powerful! Would you pick Harry's scrub, Hermione's scrub, or Ron's polish? Which jellyfish jelly mask sounds like the most fun for your face? A wobbly jellyfish delight? That's so quirky! Which hair oil sounds like the best choice for you? A glowing finger hair treatment from E.T.? That's out of this world. Pick one. Hulk's Mist, Thor's Spray, or Harry Potter's Spritz. Which one wins for you? A magic potion spritz? Imagine what wonders it could do! Time to decide. Which Moonbeam Night Cream will help your skin feel amazing by morning? Time to decide. Which Rainbow Sherbet mask will make your face feel fantastic? A Dragon's Breath rainbow mask? Sounds fierce and fabulous. Pick one. Which Sunbeam SPF will keep you protected and glowing? Would you rather pick Woody's Stars, Bo Peeps, or Forky's Patches? Which enchanted lip balm sounds best for your lips? Which amazing cleanser will you pick for your super routine? Let us know in the comments. That sea soap sounds like a lot of fun. Time to decide. Which invisible shield cream will keep you safe and sound? Which Pop Rocks face wash would you choose for a fun and bubbly cleanse? Which glitter bomb body lotion will make you shine the brightest? Which amazing face mask will you choose today? So many cool choices. That leafy mask sounds super refreshing. Would you choose Groot's magical cloth, Rocket's high-tech rag, or Moana's ocean spirit washcloth? I am Groot, and this cloth will make your wishes come true. Which super bubbly dream cleanser will you pick for your routine? Which amazing spot treatment will you pick to zap those pesky spots? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.